How to remove pimples to get clear skin. Worried about pimples? But you don't need to, if you just hit puberty, as they often clears up on its own by the age of 20. But if these symptoms bother you till the age of 30 or beyond, they leave dark scars or red marks. So let's discuss the tips on how to remove pimples. But before that, let's discuss the reason behind it. Reason might be hormones continuously pushing sebaceous glands to produce sebum. Pimples, aka zits, break out when the oil-producing follicles, pores, get blocked and excess oil accumulates under the skin. Dead skin cells and sebum all get clumped together, leading to breakouts or pimples. Moreover, hormonal changes, stress, a diet with high GI index like dairy products, genetics and family history of acne, skin type and certain medications may contribute to it. Now, we know the reason for pimples, so let's discuss the tips on how to get rid of pimples to get clear skin. Firstly, use a gentle cleanser which is paraben-free and contains salicylic acid to get rid of pimples. 2. Stop touching your face and squeezing pimples. Continuously touching your face throughout the day only give way to the formation of new zits or may aggravate the already existing acne situation and may lead to acne scarring. 3. Spot treatments, effective, go-to treatments and can work wonders on your skin overnight. Fourth one is good old home remedies for treating pimples. Tea tree oil to get rid of pimples. Due to its antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil helps to zap out the pimples. Aloe vera and turmeric for pimples, a perfect combination of clear and acne-free skin. Green tea for pimples, drinking green tea aids to flush out the toxins. Rose water and neem, rose water, an effective toner to calm the skin irritation and maintain the skin's pH balance, and neem, a well-known antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. Last tip, eat healthy food, it helps to remove pimples from face. Avoid fried foods, chocolates, sugary eatables and more. So, these are the tips to prevent and fight against pimples and get clear skin. You can also follow a skincare routine to clean up your skin regularly. I hope this video will help you experience healthy hair and skin.